furs not only look out of style, they're heavy. Thanks to the Saga technique developed in Scandinavia, internationally renowned fur designer Sargis can transform your old coat into one that is lightweight, textured. He can even change the color.
Saga techniques, they are techniques that we use the fur in a completely different way. We cut it up, we make it light, So I use those techniques to make a full coat reversible without adding any weight on it. Like the shearlings, they are very nice because they don't have that added weight. It's the same thing with the fur coats. Today, with the new techniques, that the shearing, the carving of the coat, that will take off the weight completely. So that old coat that you have of a beaver that weighed a ton, so it just became very light. You can reverse it. You can, do whatever with it because it became a new material, a new texture.
What are the key Restyle fashion trends for this year?
Now we're going more and more to softer look. We show the waist more, we soften the shoulders, more feminine. It has to be very versatile.
How does someone know that they have a coat that can be restyled?
Very simple. She's not wearing it.
Stop by Ribnik Fur from Thursday, May 12th through Saturday, May 14th and meet Sargis and discover how you can recycle it, restyle it, rewear it.